It's me, Jen, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will have a tutorial on how to file an SSS Calamity Loan online. So last July 16, since nung nag-announce si SSS na pwede na daw tayong mag-apply ng SSS Calamity Loan online, so gumawa sila ng online facility wherein ina-account ang ating mga SSS Calamity Loan applications. So hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta sa SSS branch office and mag-submit ng mga documents. So, ginawa itong facility nito para maiwasan yung paglabas ng mga tao. And, of course, guys, is makapag-stay at home. Kailangan nyo lang is nakapag-register na kayo online sa SSS. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-register online, pwede nyong i-check yung aking tutorial kung paano makapag-register sa SSS online. So, just check the link below. Guys, kailangan nyo din is yung mga bank account infos ninyo. Bank account name, so kung anong banko yon, and yung bank account number ninyo. So, it could be your savings account, personal account, payroll account, pwede din yun. So, kung wala naman kayong mga bank account, pwede rin yung mga, yung ML Willier, and then yung Paymaya. So, dapat din ay nakapangalan sa inyo ang inyong bank account. Case ni SSS na hindi nakapangalan sa inyo ang inyong bank account, possible na i-hold or i-cancel ang inyong loan applications. So, kung nakapag-register ka na, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa ating Calamity Loan application. So, let's start na.
So, sino ang pwedeng mag-apply? Sila ay mga SSS members, employee including kasambahay, self-employed, voluntary OFW, and non-working spouse members. Para sa mga requirements, a member must have at least 36 monthly contributions, 6 of which should be posted within the last 12 months before the application. Second, have a work or home address within the Philippines as reflected in the SSS database. So third, have not been granted any final benefit such as total permanent disability or retirement. And have no outstanding loans under the Loan Restructuring Program or previous CLAPS or Calamity Loan. Open lang natin ang ating Chrome. Tapos i-type ang sss.gov.ph. I-click ang I'm not a robot. Then submit. Then zoom in lang natin para makita natin. So click natin yung member. So wait lang natin habang nag-loading ang page. I-enter natin ang ating user ID. Pagkatapos nyan ay ang ating password. Tapos i-click natin ang I'm not a robot. Then submit. Pasok na tayo sa ating account. Zoom in lang natin para mas makita natin yung page. Under e-services, i-click lang natin ang apply for Calamity Loan. Ito yung lalabas. To proceed with your loan application, please follow below steps. To proceed to our loan, kailangan daw natin i-enroll ang ating bank account. Take time to read all the reminders, guys, para acknowledge kayo sa lahat ng mga mangyayari sa inyong loan applications. So, i-click lang natin yung here to enroll. Ito na yung mga bank details na kailangan nating fill upan. Remember, guys, dapat ay nakapangalan sa inyo ang bank account. Check lang natin ang bank, tapos hanapin natin kung ano yung bangko natin. Ayan, so makikita nyo lahat ng mga bangko. So, browse nyo lang up and down kung nasaan yan. So, ito yung ML Willier, yung cash padala. Tapos, yung Paymaya. So, nandito din. Ayan, so hanapin ko dito si China Banking Corporation. Tapos, enter natin yung bank account number. Make sure guys na tama yung i-enter ninyo. So, double check, triple check. Tapos, re-enter lang ulit yung bank account number. So, after that, i-review natin ulit kung tama yung mga binigay nating informations and make sure that it's all correct. Tapos, i-click lang natin yung I agree. Tapos, enroll bank account. Tapos, click OK. Okay, so successfully na-enroll na natin ang ating bank account. So, dapat nasa ibaba siya. So, ito siya. Ito yung nasa under ng active bank account records with SSS. So, nandyan yung details ng ating bank account. So, bank, tapos bank account number, tapos meron ditong deactivate. So, kung hindi na active yung ating bank account, pwede nating i-deactivate and to replace another one. After ng enrollment, kailangan nating pindutin ulit yung home. So, under e-services, apply for Calamity Loan. So, lalabas yung mga informations natin like mailing address, mobile, and email address. So, kung hindi updated yon, i-click here lang to update. So, try na lang natin basahin yung mga information sa baba. So, ang loanable amount is 20,000 but it depends on the monthly salary credit na binibigay ng inyong employer. So, pwede nyong ma-click yan kung magkano lang yung gusto nyong ma-loan. Tapos, click natin yung choose bank. Tapos, i-click yung bank na in-enroll natin kanina. Tapos, i-review natin yung current employer natin. Tapos, basahin na lang natin yung mga reminders. Tapos, i-click ang I agree to the terms and condition. Tapos, i-X lang. Tapos, click proceed. So, habang naglo-loading, i-zoom out lang natin para mas makita natin yung mga message sa taas. So, service unavailable. Please try again. So, i-click lang natin dito yung proceed. So, ayan na. Loan receipts will be credited to your China banking corporations. Yan yung in-enroll natin kanina na bangko. And then, yung selected employer, which is my current employer. Certifications, agreement, and promissory note. I understand that the proceeds of my loan will be deposited to my nominated selected bank account. Number 2, I certify that the nominated selected bank account is my active and valid account. Number 3, if found incorrect or invalid account, I fully understand and accept that any charges to facilitate cancellations will be deducted from my future loan proceeds or benefit from any. Ayan, Ayan, so pwede na nating i-submit. Click lang natin yung OK. Ayan, so zoom out lang ulit natin para mas makita natin yung buong page. Okay, so ayan, successfully submitted na daw ang ating Calamity Loan application. Magsasend sa inyong email ang SSS na successfully submitted na ang Calamity Loan applications to SSS.
So, ayan na guys, tapos na ang ating application. So, aantayin ko na lang itong pumasok sa aking account. So, magbibigay ako ng another videos and mag-update ako sa aking page kung gaano katagal pumasok, kung ilang days siyang papasok sa aking bank account. So, normally guys, it will take more than 2 weeks since skeletal sa SSS ngayon, unexpected na marami nagpa-process ng mga SSS loans. So, expected na mas tatagal yung process ng ating mga loan applications. So, update na lang ako for another videos kapag na-receive ko na. So, may mga nagtatanong sa akin na nahirapan daw silang mag-register online sa SSS since maraming invalid errors, ganyan. So, tips ko lang sa inyo guys is try kayong mag-register during hours na less lang yung gumagamit ng portal, ng SSS portal. So, normally gabi or madaling araw, so yung sasabay sa mga office hours wherein maraming gumagamit ng mga employers, ganyan. So, nag-try na namin to before sa SBWS program. So, nag-try kami ng madaling araw. So, less yung error pag ganun. So, para mas maiwasan natin yung error. Guys, so if you have questions guys, just comment down below. And please follow me on my Facebook page so you can also leave a message there. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye!